Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna be discussing on the top 5 nutrients for men's sexual health. Men's sexual health depends on a mix of hormone, blood flow, and energy level. Some particular nutrients are essential for maintaining this function. What are those nutrients? They include zinc for men's sexual health. Zinc is an essential nutrient for production of testosterone, the primary hormone responsible for men's sexual health. It also supports production and quality of sperm. Low level of zinc can lead to infertility, decreased libido, and erectile dysfunction. Food sources of zinc include oyster, beef, chicken and pork, pumpkin seed, cashew, and yogurt. Regular consumption of this food, rich in zinc, can boost testosterone level naturally. Vitamin D for sexual health. Vitamin D plays a vital role in regulating testosterone levels. It improves blood flow, which is critical for gaining and maintaining erection. Low levels are linked to poor sperm quality, reduced libido, and erectile dysfunction. Food sources of vitamin D include fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, egg yolk, fortified milk, sunlight exposure. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes of vitamin D exposure daily to boost your level. Omega-3 fatty acid for sexual health. Omega-3 fatty acid reduces inflammation and boosts energy, improving overall stamina. They also improve circulation of blood by getting rid of bad cholesterol, which is important for stronger and lasting erection. Food sources of omega-3 fatty acid include walnut, chia seed, flaxseed, salmon, sardine, mackerel, olive oil, omega-3 supplements. Add fatty fish to your diet 2 times a week to enjoy the benefit. Magnesium for sexual health. Magnesium is a kick-ass nutrient. It helps relax the blood vessel, improving blood flow to the penile region. It also increases amount of free testosterone in the body. Men with low magnesium levels suffer from erectile dysfunction and low libido. Food sources of magnesium include leafy green and spinach, dark chocolate, almond and peanut, avocado, and whole grains. Take magnesium-rich food with food rich in vitamin D for better absorption. L-Arginine for sexual health. L-Arginine is an amino acid the body uses to produce nitric oxide, a compound that is necessary for achieving erection. Nitric oxide relaxes the blood. Nitrate oxide relaxes the blood vessel and improves blood flow to the penis. Food sources of L-Arginine include turkey and chicken, red meat, peanut and pumpkin seed, lentils and chicken peels, dairy products, watermelon for enhanced production of nitrate oxide. Combine L-Arginine with other nutrients like vitamin C. Additionally, 5 top fruits for men's sexual health include watermelon. Watermelon contains citrulline, which works in the same way as Viagra. It improves blood flow and lower blood pressure. Pomegranate. This contains a high amount of antioxidants that promote blood flow to the genitals and increase sexual desire. Cucumber. Cucumber are aphrodisiacs. They contain vitamin C and manganese, which increase libido and help fight erectile dysfunction. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contains lycopene that help in blood circulation and improve sexual health. Apple. Apple contains quercetin, a flavonoid that helps in erectile dysfunction. It also helps stop the growth of prostate cancer. Incorporating this nutrient can improve your sexual health, energy, and confidence. Also, focus on eating healthy, exercising, and managing stress. Make sure to consult a doctor before starting on any supplement. Indeed, learning never ends, and nature heals. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.